They're super duper dirty because I haven't had a chance to clean them. But that is totally disgusting. I'm just gonna cut that out of the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley, and today we are going to be doing a fall makeup look. If you're excited for fall, definitely keep watching this video because it's going to be super cute. So first of all, I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy Walmart headband. I love wearing this because it keeps my hair out of my face and I don't want foundation getting all up in my hair. We're gonna be using my favorite, I wouldn't say it's my ultimate favorite, but I really love this primer. It's the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. Because I do have super dry skin, so I just kind of just rub it everywhere because I need that hydration. And then my favorite foundation right now is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I'm obsessed with it. I think it is super nice. It's not full coverage. That's the only thing, but it's so hydrating and you don't feel like it's there when you're wearing it. And you can also build it up. Sorry if I sound stuffy. I'm kind of going through allergies right now. And like that. And I kind of just lean back because it's super liquidy and I don't want to get it on my bed. Before you guys say anything, I do not support this makeup artist at all. I bought it after she sold the company because I love this. I really like this contour palette. It's super nice. I'm not supporting her at all. Then I'm gonna grab a wet makeup sponge. You can grab literally any kind of sponge. I use a beauty blender because I don't know, I could be saving money, but it is what it is. Honestly, this color is kind of a little dark on me now, which sucks. I just keep getting paler and paler because I don't go outside. We can move on to concealer, which I've been loving. The Benefit Booing Cakeless Concealer. Super good, super high coverage. What I do is I normally just put concealer right here and then right here, and that is it. I have lots of acne on my chin, so that's how I kind of cover it. So now that that's all done, I like to set my face. And I normally set it with Laura Mercier setting powder. This is just the regular one, the translucent loose setting powder. So we're back and the brows are filled. I use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit to do these brows. We are going to move on into the eyeshadow. I like to save the face for last, just in case I make any mistakes with the eyeshadow, and then I can also cover up any fallout that stains the face in any way. So the eyeshadow palette that I like to use, she is a Gem in Disguise. The James Charles palette. So on the palette, I'll be taking this brown right here, which is called Punch Me. And look how perfect that is. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with these. So now I'm going to take the shade T, which is up here, and I'm going to rub that in. Boutique. And that is gonna go right in the middle section right here. I'm gonna go ahead with T again, and I'm just gonna darken that space. So now that it looks like this, I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to grab a pencil-like brush. Canvas is the transition shade. Oh, we're just gonna put that on. I wish there was a mirror on the James Charles palette. That's the only thing. Because it's such a big palette, the mirror would just be brilliant. I'm gonna take Mary, which is this girl right here. She looks very, very, very fall-like. And I'm just gonna put her at the end here. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna take ring light on a flattened down brush like her. I'll go ahead and do the bottom of this eye, and then I'm going to do this eye off camera. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the ring light. I'm going to take Mary. Clean up around this eye, do the eyeliner and stuff off camera, and then I'll be right back. So now I'm going to go in with the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. I'm back and the eyes are on. Okay, so this is the most exciting part for me because I actually am done with the eyes. Sometimes I get super stressed out with them, but today is a good day and I did not. So now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. I like to mix these two shades, so that's what I'm going to do. And I always like to contour upwards to kind of avoid that droop-like effect. Grab a flathead brush like this, and I go ahead and with this highlighting shade here, and I just pat that into the top cheekbone right there, and I'm going to be putting it in under the eye to kind of brighten up that under eye because of all the makeup that we just did. with the same brush, I go ahead with this first shade and I bake the bottom of my face just to kind of get rid of any of that excess contour that I don't want on the bottom of my face. I'm using the M433 brush for this. And I just go ahead in with the first contour shade of the palette. And sorry about all this dust, it's the makeup. So I got this one from Farah Brushes. So not this head, but this head here, the smaller, it's like a flat head eyeshadow brush. And I just grab that brightening powder and I slide it on the bridge of my nose. Now this is just to make sure that the highlighter pops when I put it on my nose, which I'm about to do with the Becca Cosmetics in the shade Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Pearl. And then I'm also gonna, before I put this away, I want to highlight my bottom of my brows right there. Just to make the corners pop even more, I'm gonna add some of the highlighter shade. Okay, I grab my M501 brush and I just highlight the cheekbones. And I like to build this highlighter because it is super beautiful when you build it. We are done that. Now I'm just going to do the lips. And for the lips today, I have a new lipstick that I want to try. I haven't tried it yet. It's from Milani Cosmetics. And it is in the shade Teddy Bear. You guys, I'll show you that it's going to complement this look very well. Now before, that smells so good. So that is the makeup look all complete. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And I appreciate you so much if you watched this till the end, or even if you just watched some of the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.